To make this BB gun, what you're gonna need is a cap gun, which I got for $1.25 at the dollar store, and some caps, which I got for $1.50 at the dollar store. Now the first step that I did is you have to remove the barrel. You're gonna be left with this because this barrel is in the way of where the BBs shoot out of in there. It doesn't provide a straight line of fire and it gets stuck in the barrel. The next thing you're gonna need to do is take a BB and the caps and you're just gonna need to load it in. Take out the cylinder, put the BB in the barrel. Now these barrels are exactly 6 millimeters. You're gonna need a 6 millimeter BBs to fit in there, and it's just the perfect fit. Now you put the caps in and load it back into the gun, and you're good to go. Now the way this thing works is when you strike the hammer and the hammer strikes down, it explodes the cap, making a small explosion. The explosion creates pressure in the barrel, launching this forward. Now one thing I would like to mention is when you put the BB in the cylinder, sometimes they fall out. So when you put it in like that, you turn it upside down, it doesn't fall out immediately when you shake it. Okay, this one isn't falling out, but they do, I promise. This time, when I shake it, it comes right out, just like that. And this is how it shoots. Because there's nothing concrete holding the BBs in, sometimes they fall out if they're not insecure, but that was just a one-off, I promise. One thing I would like to mention is that because these things are so cheap and they aren't built to be BB guns, sometimes you get duds and they're not very powerful shots. Now let's see how fast this thing can shoot. Now, that went about 1.5 feet as the entire frame in about 3 frames. So for simple math, we'll say it went 1 foot, which is the length of the ruler, in 2 frames. So we're gonna multiply that by 2 to get about 0.008. Now we're gonna divide 1 by 0.008, and that'll give us the feet per second. Now 125 feet per second, that's faster than the Nerf rival blasters, if any of you guys are aware of those. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.